Lecture 7, Component Setup, CustomTextField and CustomButton. In the previous lecture we'd created the dark overlay above our image container to make the white text stand out from the image. In this lecture we will be creating CustomButton and CustomTextField that we'll be using further in our InvoiceCard and PaymentCard. Now let's create a new file inside of the components folder as custom_text_field.dart, and let's code the logic of CustomTextField. CustomTextField is a stateful widget. We will be accepting controller and text from wherever we'll use the CustomTextField widget. Returning a TextField widget from here. Controller set to the controller that will be passing to it. Style set to the style of headline 2 text theme. Applying input decoration. The suffix would be an asset image to get it. Head over to satsymbol.com and click Download the Satoshi symbol. Extract this particular PNG image in the Assets folder. First of all, create a new Assets folder in the root of your project and extract that particular sat symbol image here in the Assets folder. Then give the Assets image path here to the Asset Image widget. Don't forget to set up the Assets image in pubspec.yaml file in order to use it into our project. That's it for CustomTextField. Save the file. And move on to create another new file inside components.dart folder as custom_button.dart, and let's code the logic of CustomButton. Create a stateless widget class for CustomButton. Also we'll be accepting some parameters from CustomButton, such as button text, callback function, button color, extended boolean. The button text and callback parameters are required. Button color is nullable, which means it's fine if we did not pass any button color while using CustomButton. Extended boolean value is also not required because we're setting its initial value inside of the constructor. Now let's build the CustomButton with the help of elevated button widget with the icon constructor. That's it for the CustomButton widget. Save the file. So here we created CustomTextField and CustomButton widgets. In the next lecture we'll use these widgets inside of our InvoiceCard and PaymentCard widget. That's it for now. Thank you.